Here we are at the ranch. We're about to blow up a beaver dam. Here we are with the holy hand grenade. Dad's over there with the beaver dam.
Alright, deliver the bomb.
Julie, you ready?
Hell yeah, I'm ready.
Anna?
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, I'm ready.
Fuck yeah, let's blow some
Fuck
shit
yeah.
up.
Alright, load her up.
Fire in the hole. Oh shit.
That's a pretty good.
Yeah, that's a crater.
That was just right down here before.
Yeah.
Maybe we just keep blowing at where we're blowing. This is mixing of the holy mixture of beaver happiness. It's a momentous day because we are sacrificing the J. Lewis moonshine jar, which was here from the beginning that everybody had to have a drink out of on their first visit up to the Vogler. We did save about 3 sips in another jar, but this has now become even holier beaver hand grenade. We are ready. Let's go. Rise, Sir Nigel and Sir James, and insert the holy hand grenade of Antioch into that beaver house orifice. Fire in the hole.
Holy shit!
Heads up! Look at that! Seriously, that's stuck in the ground. That's why I said heads up. Look at this.
Holy fuck!
Let go of it. So the same on itself.
That came right over your head. It's stuck in the ground.
That wasn't here before, was it?
No.
Navy SEALs Team 6.
That's what it's like.
This did not happen.
Where Nigel grew up.
This did not happen. They could literally be dead in there.
Oh shit.